Well, good evening, Fabian. Um, I thought if we'll look on them side by side, you'll see the difference more easily. So here is some of today's crop before washing. I point with the needle, so fine to play with them. So you see some of them are floating state, like this one. And in this state they take many forms, can be very elongated, this one as well, and this one all already adhered to the glass, so you can see there is the hyaline already stretched around. We also got with this debris. This one, it's a different species. It's more striated, and we also have another one here. And as you can see, there are two anomalies. I bring them to the middle of the frame. We have those two balls. So those balls, as you can see, are very different, and I'll have to look at them. They may be cyst candidates. This one appears to have some food in it, so I'm not sure, but you can see it's much smaller and wrinkled. This one looks very promising. Almost empty, only a hint of the granular material. Here is another floater. So they take many forms morphologically, but the cyst candidates are only the round ones.